Hi Oscar.
Hi.
What are you up to today?
Maybe a Noddy Playset house.
Maybe you're going to play with the Noddy Playset house. Okay, today Oscar is indeed playing with Noddy's house playset, which looks a little bit like this.
I like to look at it and I like to open it and you don't just slide on it.
Has it really?
Yes.
Aimed at children aged 2+. And I don't know whether you've seen on Milkshake, but Noddy's had a little bit of a makeover recently, and this is part of the new toy collection. And it looks really cool, so we're going to open the box and see what's inside.
Yeah, and it does the car.
Wow, and what colour is Noddy's car?
It's yellow.
Yellow, good
Yes.
boy. Okay, so we will now open the box, see what's inside. Okay, so we've built Noddy's house up, and this is what it looks like now. It's lovely in blue and yellow and red, and I really like the Noddy's bell on top of the house. I think that's such a cute little touch to it. It's really nice. Look how cute that is. So are you going to spin it around, Oscar, so we can see what's inside Noddy's house?
Yeah.
Okay, can you spin the house round?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And if we turn it round like this, you can see inside Noddy's house. It has a little plane and his car and little Noddy. And downstairs he has a sofa and a table and a treasure chest. Wow. And I think, before we start playing with this, Oscar, I think we could bring 2 new things in to play with as well. We have like a little pirate ship and Bumpy Dog. Oh, careful. Okay, so are you going to show us how you play with Noddy's house, Oscar?
Yes. He's put his button down myself.
Oh wow, it makes noises.
Yes.
Show us again. Where do you press it? Oh,
It's just
was that Bumpy Dog?
yes.
Does Bumpy Dog come to play with Noddy?
Yeah. Look on the picture.
Oh wow. Is that a picture of Noddy?
Yes.
There he is. Hello Noddy. So what would you do with Noddy's car?
Try this to make
Oh! Wow!
Touch slide down like this.
Slides down like that.
Yeah, I think this is side too.
Oh, and there's a lift as well. Oh, that's good. So you can go up on the lift, through the bedroom, and then down the slide. That is one cool house.
Yes.
Oh, that one doesn't go down quite as well, does
Look,
it?
it has been there.
Oh, let's have a look then. Let's show everyone at home. That's cool. Because Noddy nowadays, I think he's a detective, isn't he?
Yeah, he likes to drive a top with the dog.
Oh.
Yeah, dog. He likes to go up the slide.
Up the slide? I know somebody else who likes to go up the slide at the park. And Mummy always says, no, you don't walk up the slide, Oscar.
Yeah.
And Oscar doesn't listen. Here he goes. Oops, nearly fell off.
Oh.
It doesn't quite work as well that way. It's supposed to go up the lift.
Now, let's see the treasure. Woohoo! We have to go and take the dog.
Oh,
It's on fire!
he's got what?
Fire in the house!
A fire in the house?
Yes.
Oh no.
Let's see the house. Look, Maddie and the one in the way.
Oh no. Where's Noddy gone?
It's right there. He likes to stand there. He's having this. He likes to ride down his sled.
Yeah, I wondered if he could like go down in his plane or if it's too big. I think it might be too big. but he could go flying in his plane, couldn't he? Yeah. Oh no, it's a bed. I thought it was a plane, but look, it's a bed. It has a pillow. I don't know how well we can see. Oops. But it has like a pillow. Stickers coming off. That's because I'm not very good at putting them on. Oh wow. That is one cool bed.
He's lying in it. It's like
It was a spaceship or an aeroplane or something. But it wasn't. It was Noddy's bed.
Wait.
Right up here. Oops. In bed, Noddy. Night night.
Right. Maddie, wake up. Wake up, Maddie. We need you. Okay, yes, that's
Where's Noddy going?
Disneyland.
He's going to where?
Disneyland.
Disneyland?
Yes. We're doing up the slide.
Mm-hmm.
We're to Disneyland. The through the tunnel. And we're slide.
It's very difficult to see when you're sat in front of me. You should go behind so that I can see you. Wrong way.
Look, he's doing up the house. Hello.
What's he doing? Hello, Noddy.
Hello. I like
That's a little too close.
and we're doing a picture from Maddie's shirt.
I really like Noddy's car.
It's all yellow.
It's all yellow, yeah.
With the car wash.
It's a car wash?
Yes.
I don't think there is one. I think you have to pretend. Oh, it sounds like the lift noise when the lift goes up. Which way does it go? Hold on a sec.
Down.
If you do it again. Oh. See?
And it's so automatic. And the boat, where'd the boat go?
I don't know.
It's something like alive.
Oh.
There.
Oh, he's going for a ride on the pirate boat.
Yes. Someone rescue me.
Oh, Bumpy Dog needs rescuing, and here comes Noddy on his pirate ship. Oh, I'll rescue you, Bumpy Dog.
Thank you, Maddie. You like to go on your car?
Yes.
Okay, now that you're off the boat. Now we're going in this car now.
Oh, he's in his car now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, pirate ship.
He's running not so fast. And he's like to go up the lift.
Oh. Go round and round.
Would you do one on fast?
Oh.
He ran
He goes really far when he comes down the slide.
Yeah.
Hey, ooh.
I need a rescue when you're dead.
Oh no. Here comes Noddy.
Hey, wait.
Hop on, Bumpy Dog.
I'd like to show you this.
That's close. Oh,
this way.
Is it going that way?
Yes. And it's doing all the mouths and it's doing this side.
Oh, is it going to come through the door?
Hello, Humpy Dog. Let's down the door. Okay. Wait.
Oh, hello, Noddy. I can see him coming through the door.
Wait. We need the Humpy Dog. Let's see the Humpy Dog.
Hello, Bumpy Dog.
Let's do it. Help, please.
Bumpy Dog seems to always be in trouble.
A mouse. Push him in the house. Yeah, hello.
So, Oscar, what do you think of Noddy's house playset?
Hello.
Is it good? Oh, that's big praise. Look, a nice big puddle for Noddy's house.
Yeah.
And what was your favourite part about it?
Maybe the dog.
The dog? Bumpy Dog? Did you like sending the car down the slide? Yes. And I like the lift. The lift's super cool. And I also like the top bit with Noddy's belt as well. I like that bit.
And it's like to down the top, like this. Now it's like to spin around. Now it's like to open the door and it says, and it says, go lights. Wait, Maddie like to. Okay.
Okay. So are you going to say goodbye to everyone at home and then you can go and play with this a bit longer?
Okay.
Okay, so we need to say thank you for watching, everyone.
Okay.
Can you say thank you for watching, everyone?
Thank you for watching, everyone.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for another video. Bye! Okay, how do you start the train off?
Right here.
You forgot to load him up with cargo.